All right, welcome to this episode of the 2XP Growth Transformation Club. And today I have a client, a student of this our community, a member of our community who went to the 2XP Growth program in the past 2 to 3 months. Monica, and she's also a professor. And I still remember when she joined. She was not ready, and she was still confused in life on what needs to be done. She was, she had lost her job at that time because of the pandemic, and I remember getting on a call with her, and she was so confused, worried, full of fears, don't know what to do, right? So tell me about it, Monica. How were you before you started the 2XP growth? Do you remember the call we had? You didn't want
Yes.
to join, right?
Yeah, I made a call to Sir Kamath sir, and I told that I don't want to join this course. And actually, at that time, I was not having a job, and I was not having a direction in life, no goal in my life, what to do next. And it was some kind of all negative thoughts because outside also there was only about the corona, and at home also we were all surrounded by negativity. So I thought that this is 2XP growth means I didn't came to know what the title means, and I told that I'm not joining the course. But when Kamath sir called me up and he told me about the course, and he patiently listened to me. That was the first time someone is listening to me, and he guided everything about my problem. Means he had gave me the solution at that instant only, means, and that time I didn't have any kind of confusion, and I felt very positive towards the life, and immediately I decided to join it.
Great.
Means, yeah, if I just thought if 5 minute call can make so much of difference, then 2 months course can do wonders for me.
Yes.
And immediately I told on WhatsApp that I am joining the course and I'll be there on Sundays.
Correct. And how has been your experience of that 2 months? Like, how did you transform your life in that 2 months? Like, how did it begin when you started doing the course? How did you feel, and what changed? What was that point when you realized that this course changed you? What changed in yourself during this 2 months course?
I'll describe only in one word: the course is awesome. Who is not doing is means they are having a void in their life.
Correct. And
Means the fees is nothing in terms of that course. Means the fees I think should be 10 to 100 times more what the course have provided. The course makes a very drastic change in your life, a
correct.
milestone.
And what was the drastic changes in your own life?
Yeah, the very first goal setting, short term goals, long term goals, vision, how to achieve that goal, the strategies, then mind reprogramming, mind coding, everything. Means the modules you have provided, they were such that each and every word, each and every sentence, and every word of yours makes a lot of difference if implemented seriously in life. And it's all towards the growth.
Yes. And
Everything.
how are you feeling right now after the course? How has been your relationship with your family? How has been your, focus when it comes to your career, your own growth?
Yeah, in terms of my career, no, I got a very direction for where I have to go, and I know that this pandemic situation will not affect my career now. Earlier, I was fully dependent on the environmental situations, but after this course, yes, whatever it comes in the world or whatever be the pandemic situation, it will not affect me now. Also, I am very much focused towards my career, towards my family, and yes, my personal life also changed, not only the professional. The personal life means I got very good relations in terms of my family, then in my relatives, with my friends. I have become more understandable to them, and in fact I have grown in the community, means I am making more people because now I am very much comfortable, I can know their mindset. So
Yeah.
I thought to make the friendship with them according to their mindset. And it is earlier it was very difficult, and it was something I am adjusting. But now it is something that it comes naturally to me. So
Great.
after months also I did left this course because I know it's like a diamond. They are like a diamonds in your life, and don't miss the diamonds.
Yes,
It's
great.
it's awesome. The only
Great.
one thing I will say.
And what are the, what are the things that when it comes to course, the daily practices, and what do you think it's really helped you during this course?
Very true. The daily practices, I do affirmations. I have recorded in my own voice. I do it daily. Then I write the journals. This journal writing is a habit that everyone must have for their own growth, for their own peace of mind, for their own learning.
Yes.
It's amazing habit, and that comes only when you join this course. It does not come that if you are going to watch YouTube videos or you are reading some book. It will not come. It you require every Sunday Kamath sir to be there, and sir is asking you what you have done. Then you start inculcating that habit. You cannot do it by your own.
Correct.
Let it, all the people is telling you, but you can't do. You need a sir. You need Kamath sir to tell you, yes, do it, and really it helps.
Great, 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 great. And how are your family, friends responding towards your new life, new transformative life?
Yeah, everyone is very much happy and they are calm. Means I can observe that a lot of calmness and positive energy is there inside my home as well as the outside environment wherever I am going. And yeah, there is a lot of changes in me. I can observe in me. I am observing, and I realize that all my friend circle now I am getting more intimate with them.
Yes.
So
Great.
there are a lot of mean struggles in the conversation that stopped. Now it is a smooth and very friendly conversations.
Great. Great. And what were the beliefs before you started the program? What were the limited beliefs you're having, and how was it affecting your life? Like, what were your limited or negative fears, doubts you had in your mind before you started?
Yeah, the negative fears, the biggest fear, the very first day I told Kamath sir on the phone itself that what people will say. That was the biggest fear, and I told sir that because of this also feeling I am not going to join your course. That what people will say, you have joined Kamath sir course, what is this 2XP growth and all. And immediately sir have uh, allowed me to come out of my fear. And this 2 months, no, I completely overcame my all negative beliefs. Everything that writing the beliefs in the paper and then burning it out. It's an amazing activity. And
Great.
means what I was carrying for so many years, it burned out within seconds. Means I thought that I should have done this course lot much earlier.
Great. Yes.
Came to know. I thank Facebook a lot because I came to know about this course through Facebook only. So
Yeah.
I am much thankful to Mark Zuckerberg for making this Facebook
Yes.
come to know.
Great. Yes. Yes. And what are the new beliefs that you have right now? What do you believe about yourself? What do you believe about life?
Yeah, since my profession is into teaching, I am basically into teaching for past 21 years. So I my major belief revolves around this teaching, research, and learning new technologies. So earlier when I was doing with a lot of heavy mind. Means there was a stress that how I will learn the new technology, how much I have to give the efforts. But now I welcome everything. So means everything became into positive, and I started believing that yes, I can do anything in life. And all the strategies I will implement what sir have told me. Kamath sir have told me how to design the strategy and how to implement it. It is not only that you do it, you also get to know, you also have a knowledge how to do it and how to implement it. That's very important. And it is not given by any other course or neither in books or neither in Google or YouTube. I have found these things. Yeah, I have gone through many YouTube channels, but see, when the mentor is sitting in front of you, that makes a whole lot of difference.
Correct.
You can get all these things on YouTube and Instagram and social networking site absolutely free, but that free is having no value. The value comes when the mentor is sitting in front of you. That's why in our Indian culture, guru is placed at the top before parents.
Correct.
Yeah, it is very true. At least I have experienced it fully. And I am into profession, means I teach PG level student and PhD students. So I know that when I guide them, what is the difference? And when someone is guiding me, what is the difference?
Correct. So now, you,
Yeah.
since you're teaching students, how will you use these what you have learned in this course to help your students now?
Yeah, I am helping actually. And they are obviously now this postgraduate students, they are into jumping into the real world. They are into now the corporate world. So they are into a lot of stress and they don't know the direction. So whatever teachings Kamath sir have given me, that teachings, no, I help them to overcome the stress, to make their mind reprogram into positive manner, to overcome their self belief.
Correct.
And I realized that yeah, they are also in a lot of stress, but they don't reveal it.
Correct. So yeah, definitely having a mentor, having a coach is very, very, very important in everyone's life. That is how even my life changed when I started having mentors.
Yeah,
Right? It's very important for a third person to give
yes,
make us identify where are the loopholes and how to change and
yes, yes.
create an
That
awareness.
look, only the mentor can tell you. You cannot, you don't know.
Correct.
You yourself don't know. Only the mentor knows, and mentor, yeah. And I'm lucky to get sir, Kamath sir.
Thank you so much. Yes, great. So going forward now, what are the few, I would say tips you would give yourself going forward, or anybody in this life. What are the few things you think you feel that you need to do going forward now onwards in your life?
Means, in short, I will say that go through all the modules that Kamath sir is having. So all the modules, and you will have no lacunas in your life.
Great, great. And what
I,
what
yeah,
is
sir.
your future vision now? What is your future vision and mission now? After this course, what do you want to do for the rest of your life now? Have you thought about it?
Yeah, I will be having a very, very strong career, and I have started in that approach. How you have guided me, so a very strong career, and means I am getting the results also,
Great.
and and yeah, so means I am implementing all your modules in my life.
Great, 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 amazing.
Having no doubts, no confusions, and I decided that I am not going to leave you. I will be joining every morning. I will be coming on Saturdays. Yes, I mentor is required.
Yes, definitely. Great, amazing. That's good. So yes, thank you so much for spending some time over here with me and giving for your valuable feedback and your experience of going through the course and how it changed your life. Thank you so much, Monica, for your time.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for changing my life.
Great.